Unraveling the meaning of saggy tone in English. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, saggy tone. Now, this isn't a phrase you'll find in your typical textbook, but it's one that can add some color to your English speaking and writing. So, let's explore what this phrase means and how you can use it effectively. First things first, let's break down the word saggy. Saggy is an adjective usually used to describe something that is hanging loosely or sinking due to weight or pressure. It often carries a negative connotation because it implies a lack of firmness or elasticity. Moving on to tone. In English, tone can refer to the quality or character of sound. But when we talk about communication, tone takes on a broader meaning. It's not just about how you say something, but also the attitude or emotion that your words carry. Now, let's combine the two. A saggy tone. When someone says that a person has a saggy tone, they are often implying that the person's manner of speaking seems weak, lacking energy or enthusiasm, or perhaps even a bit depressed. It's not a technical term, but more of a descriptive one, painting a picture of the speaker's vocal quality. How would you use this in a sentence? Here are a couple of examples. After the long and tiring day, her voice had a saggy tone that made everyone else feel exhausted too. The motivational speaker's saggy tone wasn't very motivating. Recognizing the tone is key in communication. The tone can change the meaning of what is said. So, understanding phrases like saggy tone can help you better interpret the subtext of a conversation or even improve your own communication skills by being more mindful of the energy you bring into your speech. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, saggy tone. Remember, language is not just about the words we choose, but also how we deliver them. A saggy tone can sometimes say more than the words themselves. Keep practicing, and you'll not only understand these nuances but also be able to use them to communicate more effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful.